Hello, I'm Matthew Boot with the Cherokee Division of Forest River, and I'm coming to you live from beautiful Topeka, Indiana. And currently, we're in the interior and going to be doing the interior demo of the Cherokee Grey Wolf 26 CKSE to give you an example of the SE line and what it all has to offer. This particular unit is equipped with ducted air conditioning, which is a nice feature. And a huge, this is for the floor plan, but you have a huge pantry and storage area here. I can physically shut this door and play hide and go seek. And I'm sure someone's kids or people in general might do that. You have a nice TV setup here. This is a newer floor plan that we've been doing, but it's right across from your sofa. So you have a nice TV viewing, your cable hookups here. In the sofa area, what you're going to notice is this flip down theater style seating. What's nice about this is you have USB chargers on either cup holder, and this little button here, I don't know if you can see this, but it lights up on the inside, gives it a cool little look. Really like that. Again, we've lightened up the floors and the ceiling panels to give you a nice light, rich look in our interiors. And also underneath that, you're going to have the plywood decking floors. Here at the windows, as you can see, this unit is equipped with the nightshades. That's going to be throughout. And as you follow me further into the coach and the dinettes, this unit is also equipped with full pull-out drawers in the dinette on either side. Really great for storage. And then in the kitchen area, you're going to see our stainless steel microwave and oven with glass cover cooktop. And what's so nice about this is when you're doing food preparation, it has a very clean look to it, a nice aesthetic, but also functionally, you have more counter space along here with your insert for the sink. This is an undermount sink. Nice pull-out faucet, high-rise faucet. Glass insert for styling here in the kitchen with the nice elegant pulls that we have. And this particular unit has the Furrion CD, DVD, and it is Bluetooth capable for all your entertainment and multimedia needs. And you're also going to be able to play that through your inside speakers, which is actually right behind you. Coming here to the front of the unit, or the bedroom, you're going to see a receptacle here for the kitchen, and you're also going to have two receptacles on either side, and one there by the slide out. So you have plenty of opportunity to plug in any of your devices, phones, CPAPs, different stuff that people need. You have a full bank of cabinets, hanging storage. You're going to have your underneath the bed storage, and then you have this really nice pillow ensemble and bedding ensemble, which is fitted to go over your hypoallergenic mattress. I'm going to move to the back of the coach now. Again, kids are going to love this new teddy bear bunk that we're putting in this year. I personally really like it. It has a wonderful feel to it. And I'll show you here, you have your light switches and also your power awning and your slide out room switch in a nice convenient area with our trimmed out door. Into the bathroom, and I always like to show in the bathroom just the size and the space that you have. You have a nice sitting area here to use your restroom. ABS, this unit is equipped with the ABS surround, skylight for the tub. Again, you're going to have the radius shower curtain to keep the water on the inside. And then this unit is equipped in the package with a fantastic fan. What's nice about the fantastic fan is that acts as a attic fan and will help pull out all the warm air in conjunction with your air conditioner. So you pull out the warm air when you first get in your coach, kick that thing off, turn on your air conditioner, help cool down your unit. And in addition, in the bathroom, you have your GFI receptacle, and you also have a nice medicine cabinet for storage up here and then also down beneath. You walk out here. Oh, and also into the bunks, you have the integrated ladder so you can get up in there. That is going to conclude the inside interior demo of the 26 CKSE Cherokee Grey Wolf. If you have any more questions on this product or any of the other Cherokee products, please check us out at our website or also on social media. Thank you.